Hi, I'm Emily, and this is No Expert, and today I have such an exciting guest, one of my favorite people. It's Chef Saul Montiel. Yay! Yay! Oh, I'm so glad to have you here. So, today we are making ceviche mixto, right?
Correct. Yeah, there's some octopus, fish, shrimp.
Yeah, I'm very excited about
avocado, mango.
This is something I've eaten before but never made. I would not have been bold enough to make it at home, so I'm really glad that you're here to make that possible.
Thank you for having me.
So this recipe, where would you make it? Would you make this at home or?
Well, basically, yeah. I think this recipe is like a good way to get rid of all your frozen shrimp, your frozen fish, whatever you have left over and that you can use. Just make a ceviche. It's ceviche season. This beer, sangria, outside the patio.
Ah, it sounds dreamy, honestly. You know what? Forget the video. Let's go do that. Where did this recipe come from?
Well, listen. When I first moved to America, right, I never had a Peruvian ceviche back home in Mexico. Mm-hmm. When I had a Peruvian ceviche, I was amazed how wonderful, delicious it was. It was totally different than Mexican. So this version is the best out of the two worlds.
Nice.
It's a mix of the Peruvian and the Mexican.
Sort of a Saúl original.
Kind of, yeah. And respecting, obviously, the ingredients and everything. Yeah. So I think I came up with a really good recipe. Nice.
Well, I'm very excited to get to it.
The most important part is the fish.
Yes.
It needs to be fresh.
Yes.
It needs to be just like that one.
Okay, great. And this is a sole, right?
Yes.
You can also do it with fluke.
Yeah, very similar to fluke. Yeah. I personally use fluke at the restaurant, and this ceviche, actually, I serve this at the restaurant.
Oh, wow.
At Cantina, so it's...
Oh, then I've had it before, and it was great. I'm very excited.
Now you want to learn how to make it.
Yeah. What's the difference between a Mexican and a Peruvian ceviche?
I would say the Mexican ceviche is more straightforward, more lime fish, spicy seasoning, and that's it. And then when the Peruvian, they do leche de tigre, which is it's lemon juice with raw fish, ginger, lemongrass, garlic, salt, peppers. It's like the base of the ceviche. This one, we're going to keep it more on the simple, light side without making it so complicated.
Right. And we've got, some of the ingredients are a little bit Peruvian, right? Because we should actually talk through. So we have shrimp, we have sole, we have some pre-cooked octopus, which is just boiled a little bit to make it more tender.
Beautiful.
And the shrimp is also was poached or boiled, yeah. And then we have orange juice and lime juice.
Lime juice, correct.
And what's over here?
And then we have chocolate corn, which is a Peruvian corn, ají puree, avocado, cilantro macho, red onions, radishes, mango, olive oil, salt, and pepper.
And what is ají puree?
It's basically a puree of this spicy pepper, which is yellow. Just spicy puree.
It's not something I've had before. I'm thrilled to have it in the house.
It's very tasty. It's not as spicy as the jalapeno, as the chile de árbol. Gentle. It's like a very pleasant and spicy. Yeah, and adds a lot of flavor too.
Nice.
Like a mild. To me, as a Mexican, it's mild. But it can be spicy.
Yeah, it's a pepper. It's still a pepper. All right, so what's our first step here?
The first step will be the fish.
Okay.
So we're going to dump the fish over here.
Great.
We're going to marinate the fish with lime. We're going to cure the fish a little bit.
Should I put all of it?
Yeah, all of it. Just do a mix it, and then we're going to do a little bit of salt. So the salt and the lime is going to cook the fish.
All right.
We're going to put this on the fridge for 10 minutes. Make sure all the acidity cooks the fish. It doesn't really cook the fish; it cures the fish.
Right.
So we're not cooking the fish. So we're going to give it a mix. The salt, yeah. Now, something very important about the way you cut your fish is all the sizes need to be almost the same size.
Right.
So they cure evenly.
Yes.
Because if you have little piece, it will be like where to overcure. So all the sizes need to be on the same size.
Yeah. So very helpfully chopped all of the sole, the shrimp, and the octopus to make sure that it was right. And I just sort of said, "Good job." But now I know. It's. I feel like I learned something here. Okay, and it looks beautiful. So now we have to, do we wait for this to cure before we add everything else, or do we add more now?
We're going to put this on the fridge for 10 minutes, let it sit, get, cure a little more, and then we're going to mix all the ingredients.
All right, so the fish is looking like it's changed. It's like much more opaque, it's white, right?
Yeah, I think it looks perfect. I don't think we want to cure this for longer, so I think let's just add all the ingredients to it.
All right.
This is basically making like a chopped salad, but with seafood. A seafood chopped salad.
Yeah. Delicious. All right, so what goes next?
Shrimp, then octopus. See, it's how simple it is. Very simple. You should be doing this at home. Don't buy your ceviche.
And this is, we poached these shrimp, but you could use pre-cooked shrimp if you really wanted to, right?
Yeah, of course. I think that'll be easier. You don't have to do everything from scratch. You're not a professional, unless you're a professional like me.
And then you have to,
Yeah,
which is why we poached the shrimp. Do you want the, oh, I guess you do.
Yeah, let's do this. A little bit of onion.
A little bit of onion.
Here, mix it.
Just a touch of onion.
A little bit of pepper. Just keep mixing it until you get tired. Looking good already.
Yeah, it is.
I like the black peppers. I don't know.
Yeah, I love black pepper.
Like, yes.
People are always like, Emily, are you sure you want to keep adding more pepper? And I'm like, yes.
Pepper is good. Little bit of corn. Orange juice.
Toss it in there.
All of it. And then we're gonna do the mango. Yeah, a little bit, not too much.
Okay.
A little bit of this lovely olive oil. García de la Cruz. Gracias por el aceite.
Yeah.
Está fenomenal.
Oh, they're gonna like that. Thank you. That'll make me look good.
No, it is. Even the texture. Look at this.
It was beautiful. It's nice olive. I got to go to their olive farm actually and like see the trees. It was cool.
Yeah, I saw because I follow you on Instagram.
Oh.
I saw everything. I know everything.
I follow you
do.
back.
We're gonna wait for the avocado until the end because this can smash. So we don't want to
Okay.
mess up the texture of the dish.
All right.
So just keep mixing it until you get tired.
Okay.
I just keep watching.
Do you want any like? Did you do salt already? Does salt go in?
Remember, put a lot of salt into the fish.
Oh.
So we're gonna wait. I just want to make sure you
You're
mix
right.
it well.
You're right. Okay.
I want to make sure you mix it well.
Yeah. Just.
And the best way to, before you serve your ceviche, you have to try as you're cooking it. Because you don't know if it's missing anything. Yeah, you can have one chip.
Oh, thank you.
Let's try.
Beautiful tortilla chips from.
Tortilla Chinantla. What I like about these tortillas, they're authentic. The flavors are from Mexico are here. Let's try. Over here. I serve you.
All right.
But it needs. We don't know if it's gonna what it needs, right? So
Right.
we don't. This is the way how we're gonna find out if it needs more salt, more pepper,
Right.
more whatever there might be. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Hold on.
Oh.
Little bit of mango. We already have a mango there.
Yeah, I like a mango.
And now this is me.
All right. Well, cheers.
Cheers. Let's find out. Oh,
Boop. Okay. Oh.
we don't know if it's ready or not.
Okay. Needs that. Needs a little spice, you know? A little pepper paste.
Which is the how he comes in. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Just a hint.
How?
Not too much.
You wanna keep mix it?
Yeah.
Or you want to
Give
do
me in
that?
there. No. I need the workout. Trying to lose weight.
Welcome to my
I'm trying to lose weight by stirring a giant bowl of food. That might explain why it's not working.
That's the reason why I don't lose weight either. I try to lose weight by cooking, by eating.
Turns out not the most efficient. Does it
But-
need anything else? I have more limes in the fridge. I have whatever you want.
Like I want to make sure the ají gets mixed in really well with everything, and then try it again.
Yeah, because, right, how do we know until we've tasted it?
Yeah. So before we put it away, we have to make sure. Here, let's try it. I say more. But it's good, no? So far?
It's good.
A little bit of salt.
Yeah.
This is a little bit.
Just a little.
Okay, let me do some.
Well, because we're going to add the avocado, which is going to and the radish, which is going to eat more of that seasoning, right?
Mm-hmm.
That looks good.
One more. Because I'm going to eat it, so I want to make sure I really enjoy it.
Right, yeah. Honestly, it tasted good before, but I'm sure it'll taste even better now.
Much better.
There it is.
You know what I'll add?
What?
Serranos. But I don't know how much spicy our guests can hold.
Well, I think, yeah, I guess you don't know. That's the thing
Yeah.
about a potluck. You don't know,
Yeah.
you know? And we're going to bring this to the potluck, right?
Yeah, so I think I'm ready to add the avocado.
You ready to do it? Let's go. Do you want the second, like, salad tosser to do it more gently?
No,
Perfectly
this is
done.
fine. This is fine. We don't want to over mix the avocado. It's just like guacamole. When I do guacamole, I don't over whip the guacamole.
Yeah.
Look at this.
It's beautiful.
This is summer
Look
right
at the
here.
color, too. It's like, it's purple, it's green, it's yellow, it's pink, you know? It's stunning.
It's tulum here. You want to do some radishes?
Sure.
Left and right. This is where my job comes in.
Yeah, that's chefing.
And this is how I make ceviche mixto.
It's beautiful, it really is. It tastes so good.
Thank you.
I don't even
We
need
know
to.
this.
Yeah.
What is it mean? What is it? Pot log. So it's like secret Santa,
Oh, yeah.
right?
I love that definition.
Right,
Like,
yeah.
it's Santa, but with food.
Because
Yeah.
you're bringing something, you don't know what it is,
Whatever.
but
Yeah,
it's a surprise.
Everybody's going to bring something, and it's a surprise.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Super simple. Yeah, it's really delicious.
The ceviche is so bright and light. It just makes me want to be in the sun.
Yeah.
I just want to be wearing sunblock. I can smell the sunblock. I can feel the sun. And I would put a straw in this. I'm a fan. This is so good.
This is the best thing I've eaten all week. 100%. Absolutely.
And that was Saúl's ceviche mixto recipe. Delicious, incredible, beautiful.
Thank you.
So excited to have
Spicy enough?
just a little spicy, not too spicy at all.
I'm glad you like it.
Well, thank you so much again for being here. It was my absolute pleasure to have
Thank
you.
you for having me.
No.
Let's do this again.
Yeah, let's hang out more.
Once a month.
Yeah, we're keeping this thing rolling. It's a series
You need to
now.
come to my house.
Oh, I'd love that. I
Yeah.
would really love that. So, where can people find you on the internet? What do you have going on?
Well, all my social media's tags or names, it's Chef Saul Montiel. Very simple. TikTok, Instagram,
I'll put that down
Facebook.
in the description also.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
just go down there and follow me. And I work at Cantina, and I'm about to open my new place.
Very exciting.
Taco place in Elizabeth, New Jersey.
Do you know the name
Can't
of it?
wait.
What's the name
Yeah,
of it? Is
La
it-
Única.
La Única.
La Única, yeah,
All
which
right.
means the only one.
The only one.
Yeah, and the name comes with the first restaurant that my grandparents opened in Bajo Mexico. It was a restaurant. It was the only one, so that's why they call it La Única, because it's the only restaurant in the town. So
I love that. That's a
now
great
it's-
story.
Now it's here in the United States.
I'll have to make a road trip when you open. Just around the city. It's not that far, but you just gotta go up and over.
Yeah, it's very close.
Well, thank you again for being here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had fun. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a little thumbs up. And if you want to see more like this, absolutely subscribe. And I'll catch up with you later. Okay, bye-bye.
Besos.
Bye. Mwah. Mwah. I love you.